October 28th, 2020, Fluency. All right, so which of the following best describes the answer to the given multiplication problem? So it tells us here 12 and 9 tenths times 6 and 7 tenths. So let's do this over here. We are going to multiply. All right, when we're lining up when we're multiplying, do we have to line up our decimals? No, we don't. All right, so we have 12 and 9. We're going to ignore the decimals. 12 and 9 tenths times 6 and 7 tenths. In this case, the decimals do line up, which is absolutely fine. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and multiply these through. I am going to move it over just a little bit. Just a little bit for us. All right, so let's start with the 7. 7 times 9 is going to be 63. So I'm going to carry that 6, drop that 3, 63. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 6 is going to be 20. 14 plus 6 is going to be 20. I'm going to carry that 2, drop that 0. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is going to be 9. All right, am I done? No. We need to move over a place value and continue with the 6. All right, so we are done with this 7. I'm going to delete these two, those two remainders up at top, the two, the two numbers at the top. You can cross them off if you want to, you don't have to. All right, so now I am done with that 7, so I'm going to put X that out, and I'm going to put a placeholder 0 under the 3. Now I'm ready to move on to the next digits, the next value. So 6. 6 times 9 is going to be 54. Going to carry that 5, drop that 4. And then 6 times 2 is going to be 12, plus 5 is going to be 17. Carry that 1, drop that 7. And then 6 times 1 is going to be 6, plus 1 is going to be 7. Now, what do we do with these two numbers? Oh yeah, we're going to add them up. We can do that. All right, so let's add them up. I'll put our little thing over here. Perfect. All right, so let's add them up. 3 plus 0 is going to be 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 6. And then 1 plus 7 is 8. All right, so is my answer 8,643? No, what did we forget to do? We forgot to put those decimals back in. So we're going to go in 1, so that's in 1 place, in 2, so in 2 total. So we're going to start over here on the right, in 1, in 2. So the decimal is going to go between that 6 and that 4. So our answer is going to be 86 and 43 hundredths. All right, so which of these, A, B, C, or D, which of them is going to represent that 86 and 43 hundredths? All right, so is the product less than 85? Well, this is 86. That's more than 85, so it's not A. Is the product greater than 85? Yes, it is going to be greater. It's bigger than 85, right? It's 86, but let's check the rest. The product is equal to 75? No, it's not 75. Is the product less than 75? No, so the product is greater or bigger than 85. So that answer is going to be B, and that is it for our fluency. Great job.